Hello everyone, welcome today on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Friday, January the 8th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And this will be a speed test because it's the first week of the month, and I've promised you the first week of the month I will do a speed test for the Sudoku Light. By the way, in this newspaper there's also a new an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus, but first we will solve these two Sudokus, and the first one, Sudoku Light, will be number 2 and 9. All right, so let's get started. I see here big squares, 9 big squares with 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. I see a lot of 9s, 9, 9, 9. So let's start with a 9. 9 in the last row, 9, 9. So this should be a 9. All right, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. All right, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yes, all the 8s are used. How about the 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. Here I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 7 then? No, the 6. 6, 6, 6. Yes, 6 should be here. There also 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. How about the 5, 5, 5, 5, 5? This should be a 2. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Should be a 5, 2, 2, 2 and 5. 2 should be here. 2 should be there, 2, 2. Yes. Yes. All right. 5, 5, 5. 4 and the 6. 6. One number left should be the 7. This should be the number 1. 1. Here should be a 1. 1. 1. Okay. 4 and 7. 7. 4. 4 and 3. Yeah, 3 and 4. 7, 7, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 6, 6, and this should be a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Finish in 4 minutes. Wow, I'm very surprised. Sudoku Light, and I'm very pleased with the time. Yes, once in a while you need to do a speed test to train your brain to think faster, and it's completed. I think there are no there are no errors in this Sudoku, so I'm very pleased in 4 minutes, and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavy. Yes, Sudoku heavy. So see you later. Bye bye for now.